Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up eSIM on Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on network and internet and click on SIMs and mobile network. Now click on download new eSIM and click on set up an eSIM. And now you have to scan your QR code. Then click setup. And you have to enter your verification code. And then click finish, and as you can see my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.